Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across a PowerPoint error that the presentation cannot be opened in PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say, for example, we had a PowerPoint file. So let me go ahead and actually just quickly create one here. And let me just save it to my desktop. So let's say this is the issue file in question. You'd right click on it and select properties. There'd be an option underneath attributes that would say security. You would check mark the unblock button and then you would select apply and OK to save that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.